Hello, it's Alex again, and I show today how I put gutter guards on my roof, because I have quite a huge trees, and my gutters are filled with the leaves. So I bought 11 rolls of mesh on TEMU, and I started to work. First I tried to put this mesh under the shingles. It's kind of crazy work, and sometimes there is not too much access, so I just decided to do this way, like it's shown on the picture which came with the guard. So I prepared the pins, secured them, and just put the mesh over the pins. I used this self-tapping screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch, and just screwed these ones. Like that, or like this one. And I just decided to stamp it, staple it with the stainless steel staples. Got this staples, stainless steel, corrosion resistive. It's good for outdoor. And applied melted glue, hot glue, to secure this mesh. That's it. Now it's solid. Now it is solid. Looks not bad.